Right then, end of another school day. I've brought the Jag down to the yard. The Jag can stay in the yard for a bit, and we're going to take the Hilux back. Now, this is the last time you're going to see the Hilux before it undergoes its mild transformation, so I thought this would be an opportunity to show you what I've done so far. A lot of the paintwork has been patched up, and all of the underneath has been painted, so it's looking a lot better than when I first got the car. It's looking loads better actually, even though the blue isn't quite a match. As I said in the last video, it's BMW Star Blue, but it works pretty well. And for what I've got planned for this car, I don't actually need it to be perfect. So it's got a date with the vinyl wrappers, but we've got some painting to do first before the vinyl wrappers can have their way with it. They've requested that we add some elements to the truck before they start with the stickers. Inside isn't going to change any more than it is right now. We've got a pretty cool camper van themed going on here, so it's all carpeted nicely on the inside. Right, Ninja. James, what does the sign say behind you there?
Oh, don't take life too seriously. Nobody gets out alive anyway.
Do you think that's a good sign for what we've got planned for the truck?
Yeah.
Nobody gets out alive anyway. We've also got some lights rigged up in the back, which go all the way over the top.
Which I'm going to turn on.
I think I need to put batteries in them, lads. So that's that really. Other than that, I've cleaned it really well. Another child. You can't get rid of these children once you've got them. That's the problem. So the front's looking lovely as well. Oh look, the child's in the front as well. They just get everywhere, don't they, these children? It's ridiculous. So the other thing that I'm doing, goodbye, is, oh, Ford Puma, don't know who that was actually. The other thing that I'm doing is grabbing some wheels and tyres to go on my V70, which I'm now calling the V70 Surf. Hello. So these are really good Avon tyres, which I was probably going to keep for myself, to be honest, because they're really good. But for the moment, and for the MOT, these can go on the other V70. Saab seats, Saab 95 seats, if anybody wants to buy those. And I've got some trim bits as well. So while I'm down here, I'll have a quick look and see if anything else needs replacing on the V70, what I just bought. So that's that. That's a bit of an update. Right. Let's go and start the work on this truck and get it down to the vinyl wrappers.
Geoff buys cars. Still, YouTube's most boring car channel.